Hey guys, I'm here on top of St. Paul, Vence, and this is a medieval village. This is such a beautiful view. Look at this. There are so many galleries here. Every single corner has amazing art galleries. Restaurants are everywhere. And the smell of lavender is just everywhere right now. I never knew that this town would be this pretty. Hands down, this is the most prettiest town that I've been to here in French Riviera. up, guys? I'm here in the Gresco bar. This is something I always wanted to do. I'm glad I'm here. There's so much history here. This is the iconic landmark in Nice, period. I highly suggest whenever you come down here, just come in here, take a picture. I'm not going to give you a hassle, but if you can, grab a bite or drink coffee and just come over here and just chill here. It's an experience. You order a glass of wine. Look at the appetizers. Just the hospitality. Look what they give you. Isn't this amazing? It's negrescally good. I don't know why people are waiting online here, but I was just told that this is a famous place. People are waiting online over here. Look. I guess this is a place I'm going to check out. This is tuna tartare, guys. Look at the presentation. This was recommended by me by a lot of people. You can see why people wait online to come in here. That's art. This is all truffles, guys. Truffles, baby. Look at this master chef.
Mousse with truffle.
Parmesan mousse with truffle.
Amuse-bouche.
This is France.